So let's tackle this form up here. I'll zoom in so we can take a better look at it. Now, before we get to the coding, what is actually happening here? So this is a highly stylized form, but it's still a form. This box right here looks like a text input. That's where somebody would input the text they're going to search for. This looks like a select box, so we should be able to click it and select between maybe site or help, customer support, things like that. The styling is different than our default selectors, so we might need to play a little bit with our options there. And then we have this, which is the submit button. In this case, there's no text, there's just an icon, but we should be able to click anywhere in this box to have it submit this form. Now, there's going to be a good bit of custom styling involved, and it's at times like this where it would feel tempting to use a framework like Bootstrap that has pre-built components where you can do this with a form and have it be styled with these rounded corners just on the edges and the single line borders between the elements. But again, if we wanted to adjust some minor things like change out the icon, put the icon on the other side, style a select box differently, those things are all things we'd have to override. And as you'll see, it's not going to be too awfully difficult to get this working the way we want. The benefit, again, to not using something like Bootstrap is that we don't add a lot of bloat to our CSS code. And also we don't have to fight with a lot of existing CSS code in order to get what we want through overriding styles that we've added.